How you doing, guys? This is going to be the unboxing of the Tiger 5.5 cup rice cooker. It's a rice cooker and also slow cooker according to the packaging. It's model number JBV A10U. So basically comes with these two little handy dandy tabs right here. Inside you'll find a cookbook, warranty service information, rice cooker instruction manual, rice spoon, measuring cup, this little doodad, I don't know what that is, we'll find out what that is. Let's take those out. And the rice cooker. It's going to be sitting right inside there. Let's put the rice cooker to the side before I take off the packaging. See what's inside the box. Some more protective stuff. Rice cooker out. Okay, this is going to be a replacement to our other 5-cup rice cooker. Has some tape on the corner. Blue tape off. Each side. We got this one because of the portability. We go out to the park often, so got tired of putting rice in plastic bags, so we'll bring this little pad around. Open that thing up. And I'm thinking that's the steamer tray. Inside there's some caution, warning, stuff like that. Now before cooking in it, you're going to want to remove, there's 2 pieces of paper inside. Brown piece of paper and a white piece of paper were inside. You're going to want to look inside. I just grabbed some of these Lysol disinfecting wipes and just wipe the inside and the other parts. This I'll wash in the dishwasher first. Other than that, that was the unboxing. JBV A10U. 10U. Alright, thanks for watching.